In this video, I will show you how to change DNS server on Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Changing the DNS server can enable a much better internet experience, so if your internet is running quite slow, if you try changing it to a different DNS, this can improve the experience and the speed of your internet. Now to get started, what you want to do from your desktop is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, type settings and then open up settings underneath best match. Once your settings is opened, come over to the menu on the left hand side, and what you want to do is click onto network and internet. Then what you want to do is select Wi-Fi or Ethernet depending on how you're connected to your internet. For myself that's going to be Wi-Fi, so I'm going to give that a click. And then what I'm going to do is select my Wi-Fi connection from here. So that's going to take us to the Wi-Fi properties. Now from here, it's going to be similar as well if you use Ethernet, but you just want to scroll down until you see about the information about your Wi-Fi. So you can see that's down here. And what you want to do is look for your DNS assignment settings. So you can see that's here, DNS server assignment, and then come to the right hand side and click onto edit. Now what you want to do is it's going to load up a window like this. You want to change this from automatic to manual. And then what you want to do is turn on IPv4. Now this way you can actually come and change your DNS. If you have a DNS ready to go, that's brilliant. But if not, what you can do is open up an internet browser. And if you come across Google, and for example, I'm going to type get started DNS. And if we do a Google search for this, and I'm going to click onto the top result, it's going to show us the Google public DNS, which is a good one to use, which can potentially increase your internet speed. Now all you need to do is scroll down and you can see the DNS IP addresses here. So if we come back, you can see we've got preferred DNS first. So come back to here, look for preferred DNS, which is going to be the top one here. What we're going to do is just copy this and come back and paste this into the box here. Then for alternative, what we're going to do is enter the one underneath. So that's down here, come back, paste that into alternative down here. And once that's done, you can click on to save. Now once that's done, that's all going to be set up, good to go. So currently that's the Google DNS. But as mentioned, you can Google search and choose whatever DNS you want to. And that's going to go ahead and change your DNS server. So that is how to change DNS server on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.